Good morning, Savers. It's about 4:45 and about 40 degrees still. It's supposed to be like 40 or high 30s all day today. Like varies 2 degrees, so must be cloudy or something. But I'm glad you're here today. Sad times for the Seahawks fans. We did not win the game against Green Bay, so the playoffs are over. But it was a great season. We get together with a group of folks every game, and that is just fun. Hanging out with positive, supporting friends is always good. It's a good habit to get into. The habit quote for the day by Bo Barrett: "Not managing your time and making excuses are two bad habits. Don't put them together and claim you don't have time." Something specific around that. I think we're so focused on, or for our family at least, sometimes I catch us that watching TV is an actual activity versus kind of a filler. And looking at having dinner and watching TV and watching our shows can feel like that's filling up an evening, where that's actually a lot of time that you could be creating some new habits, changing some things that you're wanting. And would love to hear your thoughts. Some people don't watch TV. I think that would be pretty cool. Don't know how that would work. But it really provide a lot of space for something new and exciting. Put down in the comments anything that you're focused on, any challenges you have around that time thing, because we manage our time. Here is a simple meal. This will save you some time in the kitchen on a cold, wintry day like we're having in the Northwest right now. So essentially we're making split pea soup. Essentially going to be chopping carrots, onions. This is a smoked pork shank. It's amazing. A couple cloves of garlic, about a cup of split peas, and about I'm going to start with 4 cups of water, or you could use stock, and put it in a crock pot and let it simmer all day long. It's going to smell so good tonight. That took about 2 minutes to chop, and I'm just going to add the water now. Going to add about 5 cups, and then we'll salt and pepper as we need to. Super simple, about a 4-minute meal. Then it cooks all day and smells so good. Oh my goodness, you should smell this. That smoked hock and beans, and oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. Okay, here we go in for the split pea soup. Oh my God. That is fantastic. Second spoon just as good.